Greetings all, this is Subramanian Chandramouli. Welcome to our Monday morning motivation episode number 9. Today's MMM09 is very special because it's not happening on a Monday, it is happening on a Tuesday. From next week, you will get it from Monday. The topic for today is who is my competition? As a human being, generally, knowingly or unknowingly, we used to compare with others. We used to compare with our colleagues. We used to compare with our classmates. We used to compare with our friends, childhood friends. And based on our own analysis, we either feel happy, sad, or okay. But my friends, by comparing with others, we are limiting our growth. So what is the best way to compete? Who we should compete? The best person to compete is yourself. You are competing with yourself. How are you compared to 2023? Today in 2024 November, how are you compared to 2023? In the last 1 year, how many books you have read? What is the one skill you have mastered? How is your health? How is your wealth? So when you compare with yourself, the growth is limitless. So even if you're an entrepreneur or a startup founder, many of the entrepreneurs ask me, Subbu, what is your answer to my competition? So my answer to them is the best way to manage your competition is to ignore it. So my friends, whatever you focus, it expands. So if you focus on competition, fear expands. If you focus on yourself, your excellence expands. So the answer to the question, who is my competition, is you are the competition. And what we have to work towards is we have to work towards excellence. Every single day, what am I doing to improve myself? That is the question we have to answer. If you're an entrepreneur, every single day, what am I doing to improve my company? So have a great life, my friends. Answer this question, who is my competition, and work towards excellence. See you by next week.